Are you struggling to sell your home this summer? As we transition from the spring to the summer housing market, inventory is increasing in our area. More people need to sell, so if you expect your house to fly off the market like it's April, you might be in for a rude awakening. Now, the good news is that you don't have to settle for a drawn-out home sale. By taking the right steps, you can still receive top dollar and sell quickly in this market. Here are 3 things you can do if your home isn't selling. Number 1, make sure your price is right. Since more homes hit the market during the summer months, the market rate for your house might be changing. Double check comparable properties, especially those that have hit the market recently, to see if you need to make an adjustment on price. Your real estate agent can also run a comprehensive market analysis, which will give you a more complete picture of where your home stands in the current market. Number 2, address your home's condition and accessibility. The 2 biggest issues buyers have with homes in the market are condition and accessibility. Right now, buyers want to put as much money down as possible so that they can lower their monthly payments. This means they don't have a ton of money for repairs. So make sure you've addressed major issues before getting to negotiations. Next, make sure your house is as available as possible for showings. The more showings you have, the more offers you'll receive, and the better deal you'll ultimately get. Number 3, re-examine your marketing strategy. Depending on your real estate agent, your marketing strategy might be out of date. We're no longer in the red-hot pandemic market, and you need a more aggressive strategy to be successful. If your agent isn't doing effective follow-up with your buyers, advertising your property online, or guiding you through the market, it might be time to find another realtor. If your home is struggling to sell, please call or email me for a copy of my marketing plan. I can also run a comparative analysis on your house to check if it's priced correctly for your market. I look forward to hearing from you.